Nation. Thank you for everything. I regret not coming here. I appreciate everything. And not only for you, me, I want you to feel like we are jealous of me. My and Matt, friends, Jamaican family. Thank you. Give me a hug. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you too.
Yes, my and Matt. And guys, remember, this is the place to be. Moy and Matt, when you want a vacation, this is the place to be. Okay, so don't forget, just book your accommodation. Everything is here, everything. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, guys, our channel. So I'm out for now. So much for accommodating me, okay?
Yeah. I never see that out there.
Come. Oh, she said she never said that. Sure, come.
Bye bye. I don't take a picture with you, Alex. Alex, come back. In my next one, I need this. The charm is leaving. You're trying to best not to cry. But why not walk a left? Yes. Look here. People from Charm come here. You see? Before Charm even come here. I turn the camera up on myself. But before Charm even come here, every time Charm say, oh, me not stop mess with her intelligence. Because every 5 seconds I call her, find out which part she reach, what she a do, I know this woman they here too much in date and I leave, and now she got after which return, and then she got tell me say, bonjour. She got tell me say she want left Jamaica, all the way from Jamaica go to Germany and take train and go all but up and down. I travel by herself, and then now me want to make the intelligence. I know she got after because she said, and from Charm they here every day we go up on the road. Every day, watch her. Every day we go up on the road. But guys, let me tell you, I definitely I go feel it. I definitely I go feel it because I enjoy Charm company. Charm let me feel that in a long time. Charm let me feel that in a long time. And not only that, but it meshed good with my family, Matthew and them put me everything. Charm just blending, you know.
Good. Guys, don't forget that when you want a vacation, MOY&MATT is the place to be. Just
yeah, but you don't come with the money.
just book.
Me carry all about. I will carry all over the place. I'm a country place because you know that's about all my place a country.
It's nice.
A country but what
So
things
nice.
there if you do. And I'm a country girl, as me always said, I might black them. I'm a country girl. I prefer country. I prefer this type of place. Everybody know everybody. Little bit of place. I like Charm place. If I go there for a week or so and come back to my yard because I can't manage the people. I can't manage the people. One she can pass. Stop. Salut. I can't manage the people. I can't manage the building. I can't manage the crowd.
Yeah.
Crowd and my team. So anyway, guys, we catch you at the bus stop. Every day, I'm taking my pose up so like a big job. Anyway, guys, my time to say goodbye because I'm going to work and I'm going to leave this beauty at the bus stop.
Here at the bus stop.
So guys, bye bye, Charm, and thank you very much for stopping by.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Wow. Hey guys,
Smile,
I am
smile,
really missing her. I'm really missing. You see this?
Yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah. Yes, it's a record.
So I was saying that I really miss her company.
I miss me coming again yet. You know,
I can't stop thanking her for the warm welcome I get from the entire family.
Salut.
Yeah,
Ça va
I
et
feel
toi?
like crying. Look at my eyes, guys. I feel like crying, but I'm
No bother with
holding
the camera
it.
figure work.
I'm holding it, but thank you again, Moy.
Hold it, hold it.
It was a pleasure to be here.
My big little sister. Est-ce que je little?
Ah, vous êtes magnifique.
Ah, merci, merci beaucoup. Oui, merci.